70, 60.
Sharp
curve.
Sure,
Sharp turn. Yeah.
Para siyang U-turn, no?
Para siyang square U-turn. Yeah. That's King Hussein Street. That's the main street of Ahmad.
Parang U-turn talaga, oh. Allowed ba yung U-turn dito?
Hindi mo siya U-turn. Parang you join the converging traffic.
Ito
going
siya,
that
no?
way.
Oo, this traffic. This is Amman traffic, no?
Yeah.
City, ano to? City parang place on hills.
It's just like, very much like...
Dito tayo, no?
Yeah, 30 here. Yes. So we're now... The main street, King Hussein Street.
Continue for 1 kilometer.
Police car or fire or ambulance. So this is the city of Amman, and you have residential outfits on the left and right. You have it's very similar to Baguio, although it's hot, and it's monochromatic because they don't use paints on their buildings. RJ?
They don't use paints. So ano lang to? What is natural. That? From the bricks?
From the bricks itself, the color of the bricks.
So bakit minsan yung iba parang nagiging siya parang brown?
They use what they use is they use metals and glass to make it look nice. But paint, maybe there's it's all monochromatic, earth tones, one with the surrounding environment. This is the tunnel. This is quite a lengthy tunnel. It's a very short tunnel. Turn right tayo to 20. 150.
In 150 meters, turn right onto Al-Erdin Street.
Turn right, so stay on the right lane. 50 here pala. City center of Zarqa.
In 600 meters, slide right toward King Ali bin Al Hussein Street. Signs for Jabal Al Hussein.
Okay, then may U-turn tayo dun.
Sulahan pa, no?
Yeah, 550. Look at that, Those are houses on the hills. RJ, more than 80 degrees. Houses on the hills.
Houses on the hills?
Or buildings on the hills. Para siyang bundok lang din siya, pero siya, houses na pala. Stacked on top of each other. U-turn. Sharp turn.
Take the next right toward King Ali bin Al Hussein Street. Signs for Jabal Al Hussein. Then turn right onto King Ali bin Al Hussein Street.
I think sa
Here.
50-30 here. Yes. Sharp curve to. Parang U-turn.
Turn right onto King Ali bin Al Hussein Street.
Okay, sharp U-turn.